The PFX file type is a digital certificate that contains both the public and private keys. It is used to authenticate secure websites or sign code. You install it by double-clicking, but you need the password. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's run the wizard. Spoiler alert, this isn't magic, it's the result of knowing which single sophisticated PFX file inspection tool to use because of its expansive compatibility. A PFX file is a personal information exchange format used to store digital certificates, private keys, and related data. It's commonly employed for securing communications, authenticating identities, and encrypting data. PFX files are password protected to safeguard the sensitive information they contain, ensuring only authorized users can access the certificate and key. PFX files are typically encrypted using a strong encryption algorithm, such as AES or triple DES, to protect the private key. The file format includes metadata about the certificate, such as the issuer, subject, and validity period. Importing a PFX file requires providing the correct password to decrypt the contents. The tool most commonly used for creating PFX files is Windows Certificate Manager by Microsoft. Windows cannot verify the digital signature of this file type natively. Windows cannot render protected content, so decoding relies on appropriate security software. To resolve the application failure, right-click your PFX file and choose Open With. Check for Windows Certificate Manager and test it first. If it's missing, select another program from the list. We need a successful file association. If your PFX file continues to fail when opening, that is okay. Before you download the universal fix, know what you're fixing. Here's a breakdown of the typical technical issues causing your PFX problem. First, use Certificate Manager. Double-click the PFX file and use the Windows Certificate Import Wizard to install the digital certificate and private key. Next, provide password. You must provide the correct password that was used to encrypt the private key when prompted by the wizard. Finally, check Export option. Use the original system's Certificate Manager to re-export the certificate and ensure the Export Private Key option was selected. Since thousands of developers share extension names, your PFX file may belong to a different program than the ones currently on your PC. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. The fastest solution is FileMagick. It's the ultimate universal file viewer for the PFX format, available immediately at filemagick.com. If you found this solution to be the most efficient one online, please like the video and subscribe. Thanks for trusting me with your file issue.